Hello art lovers! Today, I'm excited to introduce you to an extraordinary artist who blends the beauty of nature with the complexities of humanity, Hannah Faith Yata. Her masterful use of colors and symbolic storytelling creates a world that invites viewers to reflect deeply. In her works, Yata often combines nature, animals, and human figures. Her paintings are not just visual feasts, but also powerful messages addressing the environmental and societal challenges of our modern world. Through her art, she calls on viewers to consider the importance of preserving nature and fostering a more harmonious relationship with it. When we delve into Yata's career, it becomes evident that her work draws inspiration from a broad spectrum, ranging from traditional art to contemporary symbolism. The striking elements in her pieces, vivid color palettes, intricate patterns, and mystical imagery, offer both aesthetic and emotional experiences to her audience. Yata frequently uses animal figures to question humanity's relationship with the natural world. For example, the fish, birds, or butterflies in her paintings symbolize both the fragility of nature and the harm inflicted upon it by human hands. These metaphors add depth to her creations, elevating them far beyond ordinary artworks. Hannah Faith Yata's art has been exhibited worldwide, earning admiration from art enthusiasts everywhere. Her work serves as a poignant reminder of nature's delicate beauty and humanity's duty to protect it. If you'd like to explore more of Hannah Faith Yata's captivating art and step into her inspiring world, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video, and until then, stay inspired by art.